Define parameters for sloped wall reinforcement in this tab. Define minimum rebar length. Define to create stirrups in sloped areas. Next, we can define differently for vertical rebars and horizontal rebars. Define to place rebars per linear meter if needed. There are two types of reinforcement, area or single reinforcement. 1. Area reinforcement. Opening stirrups and rebars in sloped areas will be created with ascending length. Stirrups in sloped areas. 2. Single reinforcement. 3 options for rebar length: shortest, middle, and longest. Define the range to spread rebars. Define for horizontal rebars. Define the range to spread rebars. Define for horizontal rebars. Define the range to spread rebars. Define for horizontal rebars. Visit our website, alltosoftware.com, to get a free trial of all Python parts.